In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple viewports and circular viewports in AutoCAD to make your layouts more organized and professional. First, switch to a Layout tab where you want to place your viewports. Type MVIEW in the command line and press Enter. Now click and drag to draw a rectangular viewport that displays your model space. If you need more than one viewport, simply repeat the same process by typing MVIEW again and creating additional rectangles wherever you need them. To create a circular viewport, first draw a circle on your layout using the Circle command. Next, type MVIEW and press Enter. Then choose the Object option. Select the circle you created and press Enter. AutoCAD will automatically convert the circle into a working viewport that displays your model. You can double-click inside any viewport to adjust the view or scale, then double-click outside to return to paper space. Using multiple and circular viewports helps you present different views of the same drawing in a clean and professional layout. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.